Russian Air Force using 1.5-ton heavy-duty bombs for first time. The new type of aerial bomb weighing 1.5 tons which used by Russian Air Force. Russia claimed that these munitions cannot be shot down by Ukrainian air defense forces. This was confirmed by the Speaker of the Air Force of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Yuri Ignat. Ignat also clarified that the bombs are equipped with wings and GPS navigation, and their strike range is more than 50 kilometers. He also added that Russia could use such ammunition indefinitely. The increase in the production of such smart bombs is of particular concern to the armed forces of Ukraine, especially when the armed forces of Ukraine do not have the means to counter them. Ignat emphasized that Patriot and SAMP T systems are needed to combat these deadly bombs, besides modern fighters, such as the F-16, capable of neutralizing Russian aircraft at long ranges. And it also mentioned that the Russian aerospace forces have started using an average of 10 to 15, and sometimes up to 20, glide bombs per day. These bombs can travel up to 70 kilometers and weigh 500 kilograms each. The Su-34 and Su-35 airplanes drop these bombs from a significant distance,